there's a disclaimer here. So his car is at 15.5 degrees. I tuned it with HP tuners. This is actually like one of the first cars I've tuned EQ5 start to finish, and put it at a nice conservative 15.5 degrees. And he's got his friend Jimmy, who has his NA Coyote that's on his door. He wants to sprinkle in a little bit more timing. We don't have a dyno. I wish I had a dyno. I would love to have a dyno in the future, but we're gonna try to use the draggy. I don't know if we're gonna see big improvements with timing going 60 to 130, but it's possible. So we're gonna see if we can get a nice baseline with the way it is at, and then I will go ahead and sprinkle in a little bit more timing, see if we can get it faster. It's possible we might not see it get faster because it's gonna get hot. This first pull is going to be probably the best one.
Probably, but I mean the blower cooling system is pretty good for what it is.
Yeah. So the current theory is that 15.5 degrees is very conservative. If it is not at its kind of sweet point, and this is why a dyno would be really nice, adding 2 degrees could be as much as like 40 wheel horsepower, or it could only be 5 horsepower, and we could be knocking the pistons around.
Yeah.
You know, so we are on 93 octane. According to this boost gauge, we're only on 10 pounds of boost. All right, so I just sprinkled a little bit more timing in it. See what happens. Blake wants to go hard. I don't think our draggy data is going to be anything conclusive. It's much hotter than the other day, so yeah.
I can't have trouble feeling this damn thing. It's like a USB when you like go to plug in one way and it doesn't go in, so you flip it and you go try to go in, and then you got to flip back and then it goes right in. That's what just happened to me.
Did you get it?
Yeah, it's in.
All right. All right, we'll flash this in, go log it, see what happens. Gear, 3rd gear, speed up a little bit, floor it.
60.
Nope, whatever.
30.
So my phone died while we were tuning with the car. Didn't really have the best of luck getting any baseline data. The car tops out 4th gear before it hits 130. So the 60 130 isn't good, and we baselined the other day at 115 as a trap speed in the quarter mile, and it just did a 110, and it's super hot out. So baseline, I don't think it's going to be great, but dyno wise, I added 2.5 degrees, so we are running a peak timing of 18 degrees. It just ramped up to there. I think that is a little rowdy on 93 octane, but it's nothing crazy. I think you could even run maybe 19 degrees with a little bit of race gas. But I did go ahead and add that. We just tested it. Feels pretty quick. We're gonna try to put a set of drag wheels on the back of the car and see if we can get a draggy, because it was spinning a lot. So we have the good old welds with 26-inch slick on it. First time Blake will be on a slick. So we're gonna see what happens. What?
Make your guesses in the comments now as to what this is gonna run.
I mean, it's not gonna run anything fast time-wise. You might, well, you'll probably,
for miles an hour.
You'll probably go 12s, but yeah, mile an hour, if it sees 120, then this thing's making 470 wheel. We don't know what it makes. Like I said, we don't have a dyno, and I really don't want to have Blake rent a dyno because I'm still learning a lot when it comes to tuning. I don't want to take a ton of time. You know, it's $100 an hour for a dyno, and I don't want to take that budget away from him because I'm still learning. And yeah, but let's go back out, test it. The car is safe, relatively. We did add quite a bit more timing than where it was. It was very safe where it was, but Blake wanted more power so he can gap his friend Jimmy.
That's right.
And well, he was neck and neck with the Coyote swapped Cobra, and now it feels like it'll be faster. Well, he was neck and neck with me on the nitrous tune, which has 5 degrees the timing pulled out. So if I put the timing back in that one, run it again, I still think his car's probably gonna be faster with this more timing, but might have to switch his tune real quick, you know, before we run again. I don't know. These aren't, these are expansive wheels.
Yeah, I know.
Your dad don't like welds either.
You don't like them?
Yeah, your dad doesn't like welds. Yeah, buddy. Serious now. Okie dokie. Drag wheels are equipped. Let's go see if Blake can get some hook. No promises. To Mexico.
30, 60, quarter mile.
Did I get to a quarter mile yet? You lifted time. That's quarter. She's slow. We got no conclusive data. This is why a dyno would be nice. I mean, that was the fastest pass it's done on the street.
Yeah, but
It's
when we ran it the first time, it ran the same numbers. I think 12.7 or something.
Mhm.
And it ran 12.7, and it did it in a much nicer day. Like it was like 60 degrees outside, nice sunny, and right now it's
yeah,
like
it tracked 115 before, so
it's like 82 it's Florida degree. It's Florida.
it's so humid.
It's Florida weather right now, so
Yeah, it's so gross. So, hopefully we can see some improvements. I mean, I guess if you race Jimmy and you beat him, then you'll know.
I'm gonna have to figure that out. But also, something I noticed is the mile an hour on the first pass that we did that made it was like a 12.7 was like 114 was our trap speed.
Yeah, our original one was 115.
115.
On the nice weather.
Yeah, and right now it was like 111.
Yeah,
with
and
like
the
nearly
baseline
the same
before
time.
The baseline before we had a timing was also 110.
Yeah,
But so I think we're just heat soaked. We're heat
It's
soaked
heat
since the
soaked,
first
yeah.
hit.
yeah. And it's like we said, it's a Florida day, so it's not gonna get cool. It's just gonna kind of get to where it's okay, but never really get to where it's cool.
Want a dyno. Want a dyno.
Dyno.
Someone loaned me like 40 grand. But dyno wise, I can feel it. Data wise, we can't prove it's faster. So Jimmy's gonna be the metric.
Yep.
Where's Jimmy at?
Huh?
Where's Jimmy at?
Hello?
Hey, are you at work?
Yeah,
When do you get off?
10:30.
I want to rerun.
What?
I want to race the Coyote
Why?
because I need to gauge something.
You need to what?
I need to gauge something.
I need to gauge something?
Yeah, I think my car's down on power, and I want to verify.
I think you blew it
I'm
up.
not
You
racing.
gotta test it.
Yeah, here, Andrew.
Gotta test it.
Why?
because I want to see, because your car is right around making what mine's making, and I think it's down like 100 horsepower or something crazy, and racing you is the only way to tell.
My car, I have like my whole back seat and everything.
So that may change like inches in a race, maybe feet, but like I'm talking like yards.
Still beat me.
I don't know. I think you'll give me the gap sauce.
Okay, well, meet me up.
Me too.
And I'll race you home.
When?
I'll probably get up at like 10.
Okay.
Look at my Tork deck Duval!
Get me off the camera, man. Get me off the camera. Get the starlights. Get the starlights. Now get the starlights, my guy. We have fucking Rolls Royce interior.
That's thing I've ever seen in my life.
You're just jealous you don't have it in yours.
Huh?
You're just jealous you don't have it in yours.
Where are we getting food? I got told that. I mean, that'll work for like Waffle House.
What?
Waffle House was on fire.
What Coyote?
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ready? One, two, three. Ready? 1, 2, 3. What'd you do, mister? Oh, man. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright, so because of science, we're trying passenger in the Tork deck 2 valve. See what happens. Look at that Terminator.
Slow.
Look at those wheels. Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. It was just at 160. I don't know, man. Might need some math. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, you got the hazards too.
Yeah, but look at it. 160.
Yeah, she's hot, dude. She's hot. One, two, three.
Owning a passenger does not do anything. All your kids are at 160.
Pop my hood.
You don't fucking
Open the hood. Timmy, where's my belt? Where I lost? It wasn't making no boost.
Tork deck. Tork deck. All right. I mean,
Nah, the first run I
he's-
still beat you. You had a
he's-
belt.
bro.
You had a fucking belt. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. There was a belt on it.
he's got a legitimate excuse.
Okay, yeah. But the first run, did you hear the belt in the first run? No, thank you. You still lost. A passenger does so much shit. Yeah,
I like how the belt just ripped straight up in half. It like didn't shred the belt. It just split.
you know why? Your dick.
You should probably take that out of there so it doesn't get caught in the other.
You have a knife. I have a knife.
Well, Blake.
Dude, that pulley's that's why. Dude, your idler.
What's wrong with it?
Or your one rib. Look at it.
Oh shit.
That thing's.
Oh, well, at least there's a reason to why.
Your tensioner's what's fucked. It's your tensioner one. The first run you got beat. I don't want to hear it.
Shine some light on the tensioner.
Someone touch it a little.
Someone touch it.
Just a little bit. It's not.
It's not even on there.
Is that plastic?
It is a plastic.
What? Well, there's your problem.
Yeah, the bearing probably came right out of it.
I know what's wrong with it.
It's
It ain't got no gas in it.
Oh. No, I only noticed like right over here. I hopped off the interstate and I like just gave it a little bit of gas and one of the gears,
Did you like my hazards?
and it only got a 0.
Yeah, I was laughing.
Well, now it means nothing. You
You
barely
lost. I don't want to hear it.
you barely beat an NA2 valve.
Yep.
It naturally aspirated.
Yeah,
You
bullshit.
barely beat a naturally aspirated 2 valve. Slow naturally aspirated 2 valve because it's got only 18 degrees of timing in it, and it's also got the dumbest fucking intake manifold to be naturally aspirated.
IETs are like 220.
Shut the gump.